What's going on, guys? Happy Monday. Day one of quarantine. So I'll warm up. Just gonna get right to it. I'll warm up. You're just gonna go for a 2-minute run. So set your watch, run for a minute. Not a walk, not a jog, just a run. And turn around, come back. And then we're gonna go through, depending on if you have a lot of space in your house, if you have, not a lot of space. If you don't have a lot of space, just do 3 sets of as far as you can. If you have a long hallway, I'd say just do 1 each. But we'll start with the bear crawl, then we'll go into the crab walk, your lunge with a twist, Spider-Mans, and then some inchworms. Real quick refresher. Brandon's just gonna demo that bear crawl. If you wanna make it harder, put a child on your back. From there, you're gonna flip over into that tabletop position. We're just gonna crab walk it out. From there, that lunge with a twist. And then after your lunge with a twist, get that full rotation. Try not to just twist your neck or just go like this with your hands. Twist at the trunk. From here, you got those Spider-Mans. Take that nice big lunge. Drop your chest towards the floor, and then alternate sides. And then those good old inchworms. With this, try and keep those legs as straight as possible as you move them up, and then walk them back out. That's it. Other than that, our core moving on. So the core is an 8-minute EMOM. In that 1 minute, you're gonna do a 10-second hollow hold, 5 V-ups, and then 10 hollow rocks. So this should take you about 30 seconds or less, giving you the remainder amount of time to rest. So that hollow hold, remember your hands are just gonna be above your head, feet off the ground. Try and maintain this nice lower back right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, just for $5 you can have Bruno take his shirt off and we'll do it again. Yeah, after that we're going into 5 V-ups. Right, remember those V-ups, you're trying to get the shoulder blades off the floor and coming up into a V, not a lowercase U or a W. And then we got some good old hollow rocks, so just rock yourself away. For the hollow hold, if the hollow hold's a little too hard with your hands above your head, just keep them by your side. We're just trying to maintain that nice flat back on the floor, essentially. And same with your hollow rocks. Other than that, for our workout today, a little wad squat at home, we have a Tabata. So the Tabata is 8 rounds, 20 on, just straight work, 10 off. Hopefully you guys checked out some equipment. So kettlebell swings would be that first one, full American. Remember, it's just a slight hinge of the hip and pulling it up. If you have a dumbbell, you can do the same thing with a dumbbell. So if you checked out the dumbbell, you just hold on to the head of it. And swing that sucker, just don't let go. It's your house. Do what you want with your equipment. Then you're gonna rest a minute. So after 8 rounds, you rest a minute. B would just be solid mountain climbers. Yeah, it's 20 on, 10 off. You can make this super easy and get like 6 in, or you can probably get like 60 in 20 seconds. Actually, I don't know if you can, but yeah. Then you're gonna rest a minute. Some good old sit-ups, 2 versions, the good old butterfly. If you have a pillow at home, I'm sure you can stack down underneath your back, but just reach back, reach forward. And then that other version, the straight-legged sit-ups, just legs nice and straight. You can even make them weighted sit-ups if you want. Hold something, you can bring it forward. And then last but not least, rest a minute. And then last but not least, if you checked out a wall ball, you can go outside, throw it to the side of your house, I guess, or just throw it straight up in the air and hopefully you catch it. If not, if you got a dumbbell, hold it by both hands, right? It's just a solid squat down, press up, and that's it. Just 20 seconds worth of work. And if you don't have a dumbbell or you didn't check anything out, just grab something that will mimic that same movement. Just squat and press, squat and press. Children work great, grandchildren work great, spouses work great. Yeah, other than that, peace.